Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are sharing 15 fun and fabulous sprinkle ideas that are perfect for birthday parties and every happy moment. Let's sprinkle some joy into your next cake design. The first one is full sprinkle cake. Classic and fun. A full cake rolled in colorful sprinkles from top to bottom. Make everyone smiles. The next is sprinkled drip cake, a white or pastel color cake topped with gunge drip and covered with sprinkle on top and base. The next is confetti inside surprise cake. Cut the cake to reveal a surprise center filled with sprinkles, mini candies, and chocolates. Perfect for birthdays and kids. The next is sprinkle border cream cake. Keep it simple with sprinkles only on top edges or bottom border. It adds a pop of color without going overboard. The next is number sprinkle cake. Make a cake shaped like a number, then cover it with colorful sprinkles for a fun birthday centerpiece. The next is basil sprinkle cake. Soft pink, blue, and lavender sprinkles for a light, elegant, and party cake. Great for baby showers and little girls' birthdays. The next is chocolate sprinkle cake. Rich chocolate frosting topped with rainbow and chocolate sprinkles, sweet, simple, and delicious. The next is sprinkle umber cake. Use sprinkle in different shades or to create umber effect from top to bottom. So pretty and unique. The next is sprinkle fault line cake. A trendy design where the middle of the cake looks cracked open and filled with colorful sprinkle inside. The next is sprinkle letter cake. Cakes shaped like letters of someone's name with sprinkles on top, around the edges, or in the cream piping. The next is sprinkle donut cake. A big round cake decorated with to look like a gained donut, glazed and covered with rainbow sprinkles. The next is mini sprinkle bento cake. Small sized cake with a sprinkle covered top and cute message like happy birthday or party time, perfect for gifting. The next is sprinkle explosion cake. Heart shaped cake with a surprise sprinkle explosion inside. A lovely and exciting cake for celebrations. The next is sprinkle ice cream cake. A cake designed like an ice cream cone on top with the scoop melting down and sprinkles scattered all around. The next is sprinkle crown cake, a princess inside cake topped with a fondant crown covered in pastel or metallic sprinkles. Looks royal and cute. That was fun-filled list of 15 sprinkle cake ideas, each one bursting with color, joy, and creativity. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comment below. And which one was your favorite? And don't forget to like this video and share with your loved ones. Subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon so you never miss any amazing idea or a sweet video only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching and keep your cake colorful and create colorful effect in your lives as well. Stay blessed and stay happy. Always keep smiling and Share your love with others because sharing is always best. If you care your loved ones, always share love with them because when you are happy, your life will amazing.